How to view Facebook login code problem. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook login code, or if you're not being able to receive the Facebook login code, then first you have to open up your settings on your phone, and then after opening, now you can go for apps and notifications, which is on the third option, and then go for see all apps, and here you have to go and search for Facebook. And after searching, here on the first option you will have notifications, right? Tap on notifications, and here if you have turned off your notifications, then you have to turn that on, and after turning on your notifications, you will receive all of the codes that Facebook has sent you. So this was one fix to your problem. Or you can also check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. And even after that, if you still didn't receive the code, then you have to check your information, like you have to check your mobile number, or you have to check your Gmail account, because you may have entered the wrong information. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.